Alright, honey. Go ahead and close your eyes and just take a couple long deep breaths. Let them out real slow. All done. Good job. I'm going to make one more little pocket. Good job. And another little pocket. Good job, honey. And now I'm just going to put your anchor in. You're going to feel a little bit of pressure, and this kind of sucks the most, really.
I would have been screaming like a bitch.
It really isn't that bad.
Holy hell, I don't want to hear it ain't that bad. I would be crying already. Oh, man.
How's that?
It's a little warmer now, but good.
That was extremely quick.
Are they both in? Oh,
One.
Oh, I was
One's
going to say,
done.
holy
Yep.
crap, man. That was impressive.
That looks good, though. You're going to like it.
I'm really excited.
Did it hurt?
Not too bad, actually. I'm really surprised. My lips are shaking from smiling.
You're a freak. I was watching on here. I didn't even see how she did that one.
What's that doing there?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm pinching up the skin because I'll make it like you want to pull up the skin and you don't want it to be wrinkly.
Oh, you're looking at the next tat, or
Yeah,
the next
yeah,
piercing.
yep.
Never mind. I
Yep.
thought you were working with that other one.
No,
Trying to make sure it's not coming out or nothing.
Do you want me to move it all, or are you okay?
no, you're totally fine. I just need to pinch the skin up without it wrinkling and also get the dot dead on where we want it.
Shit, there's more to this than just grab and poke.
Alright, darling.
Ready?
Couple deep breaths. Let them out real slow. All done. Good job. I'm going to make one pocket.
Okay.
Good job. Make another pocket. Good job, honey. Woo. And you're going to feel the pressure again.
Okay.
Are you videotaping or taking pictures? Oh my god. That ain't a small
Did I bleed?
Holy moly.
A little bit.
Barely,
A
like
little.
a drop of blood.
Oh, yay. Yeah, it really didn't hurt that bad.
Yeah, it looked way less painful than what I went through.
With these, did you have some?
No, you did her nipples.
Oh. Oh, and you hated it?
I couldn't
No, I'm just saying
imagine.
pain-wise.
Like, I couldn't imagine putting
I think you're pretty
a
tough
needle through
as far as
that.
pain goes.
Yeah.
I didn't think the nipples hurt at all. I took them out and I was like, oh, I'll get them done again, like 2 years later, and I didn't think it hurt, and I took
Scar
them down.
tissue didn't bother or anything?
No, I didn't think they hurt at all.
I'm so excited to
Oops,
look.
you can go ahead and sit up and take a look, and I'll
How
clean you
was
up while you're
Ah!
sitting